my god. They're already waking up Grandpa. I'm gonna just get these bloods. I'm gonna get these bloods and try to go inside. We do have a baby cook, so it's gonna be a little bit crazy. I know it is. Sunny has 350 points, so does Virginia. Where are they though? Where are thou? I do have Linger as a perk, so I'm about to use that shit like it ain't nothing else, okay? Fart on that. Maybe that'll make them pause a little bit. Ooh, maybe someone's already over there. Let me check. Hell yeah. Oh my god. They trying to rush this bitch. They trying to bully my cook. Poor cook. He can't move. It's okay. I'm gonna make them not move. Just watch. Just watch. Hold on. Look. He thought. He thought. Come here, baby. Oh. Both of us went down. It's okay. What the fuck? Why can I not move?
Let go of your fear.
This cannot be what Taekwondo is. That can't be it. Not hell nah. So wait, they just didn't get this door unlocked. Who unlocked this door then? Ain't no way they did that right in front of our faces.
You having fun yet?
The basement exit is open. They're officially bullying us, right? That's what they're doing.
Come back here, friend.
Oh my god, the battery just went off. These niggas is tripping. Okay. Do a quick sweep. I usually would camp an area, but because they are going so hard on us, like, they expect us to camp areas instead of going to help. So I'm gonna just do a quick sweep and then I'm gonna help them out. Let me just make sure this door is still locked. So wasn't nobody around here. That's what y'all trying to tell me? I'm gonna latch this closed. Make it a little bit harder for them. Maybe they'll accidentally barge that bitch trying to open it. You never know. You never know. Okay, everything is clear around here.
Oh, hi there.
They're all over. Stay in.
He is gonna be persistent about this. Oh my god, see? Oh my god. They about to fuck me up, ain't they? Let me see what we can do. Let me see what we can do. I'm stuck. It's okay. I'm going after this one right here. Who done made it? Who done escaped it?
You can't hide from me, sugar. You left a trail.
Got one more powder. I'm gonna use this hoe. You come here right now. You come here right now. Like, you gonna fuck around, you gonna find out, nigga. Come here. Come here. Come on. You don't know, I got stamina for days. Come here. Come on. Ooh. Come on. Ooh. Come on.
How does that feel?
Come on. Ooh, he mine. Let's go. Someone just got poisoned in my cloud again. I think that might be the Leland.
Guess I can't
Yeah.
save you after all.
Or whatever his name is, Wyatt. Damn, I'm not gonna get him. Oh shit, he seen my other cloud. He might. Ooh, he going back. He gonna go back. He's scared. He don't see it until he see it. Look. I don't have any more powder though, y'all, so I might just have to leave him to his own vices. I don't know. Yeah. I'm powerless without my powder, y'all. I'm literally just a sissy without my little farts. Okay, so let me go ahead and get the slippery in. Ooh, I don't have no. He about to get on my nerves. Okay. That's still going at least. Let me go get some powder. And we gonna have a ball. Ooh, okay. They got the Virginia down over there. Okay, you know what? Honestly, this game was looking crazy at first, but 2 people down already is really good.
It's holding you back.
Oh, he decided to come back in. He wants to save somebody. Wow. Really? Where you want to go? Oh, you're just gonna leave? It's okay.
Death
I'll
doesn't
fart
have
on
to
this
be
gate
the
too.
end, you know?
You know
Just
what?
trust
Should I?
me.
I'm gonna just make sure ain't nobody over there.
They're gonna love this.
Yeah, come here, buddy.
Come back here,
Ooh,
friend.
fuck. Come here. Come
It's
here,
all
please.
sunshine. I need some more.
Damn. I know he's gonna escape this shit. It don't matter how much powder I got. That nigga gonna go. Ooh. Damn. All out of stamina around this hub.
I like that. I like that.
Damn. Okay, Johnny got that last. Okay. Okay. Wyatt's the last one. I'm not gonna lie, folks. I need help. Damn. Cook, no, go the other way. Oh yeah, he's out of here. He ain't even playing no more. He knew. It's time to go. Oh, okay, the tea bag. GG. GG. Alright. We're sissy. Again. I'm having a really sissy day today. And we are rocking the level 99 fit.
Disappear from the mama's arms.
They're waking up Grandpa already.
Fear, but we'll be on the run. A lot of fear, but we'll be on the run.
I'm gonna fart over this. Y'all know. Y'all know.
Perfect.
If you get it, you get it. What's that?
Don't bleed out on me yet. I need you.
Oh,
Just a touch.
that's perfect.
And hey there, sugar. Where you been? This will help them see more clearly.
Ooh, he knocked my ass over. It's okay. I just farted everywhere. Y'all see how quickly I use my farts?
Stop fighting.
Ooh, someone else got poisoned.
Just
Oh,
clear
no. I
your
think that was just Leland. Thought it was over here, but that's just Leland.
I know you're still here, sunshine.
Getting poisoned after
I
death.
can feel you.
Sucks to suck. Okay, let me check on my gates and I'll refill on my powder. this is stuff that they don't expect. You actually being at your exit. Being inside of it, that like, if I caught someone right here, I'm Gucci. I'm already here, buddy. Make sure everything looks normal around here. This is my first check-in. Feels like a job shift. Ooh, see, someone just snuck right on in.
So understanding. I can help you.
What the hell? I know y'all seen that, right? Like, I seen someone creep their ass right up in here. I know they blended in real well, but they don't blend in that well. They up in here. Ooh, woo, woo. There you go. Hey. Yeah, come here, baby. Come here. He blended in. He could have got away with it if I was just one of those sissies that's like, maybe I was just tripping. No, baby, I can see very clearly for the most part. Okay, got my little powder. I think that's all of the powder over there too. And plus, that gate that just got open, I farted on it, so it's gonna take a second for anyone to even be able to do anything over there. I'm gonna feed this to Grandpa.
Don't fight it. Just give in, sweetie.
Okay, I don't know what Nancy's been doing, but whatever. Whatever. Connie, she has 1,700 points. What the fuck has she been doing? I'm gonna get that. Oh wow, generator was off. That's what she's clearly been doing. I did not know the generator was off. That's crazy. And then she gonna stab my grandpa too. And he was only level 1. Like, how dare you? Might as well just go ahead and fart
They're
right
gonna
here.
love this.
I'm gonna go ahead and get
Just a playing
more blood. Oh yeah, I don't know. Maybe Sunny might double back over to battery when he sees I'm roaming around. Dang.
This house ran much better when I was running.
Sunny. Oh, my friend Sunny. Where are you? Ooh, he's dying, Johnny. Oh, he's going to die. That man is... I would be surprised if he survived. Yep, he's dead. Oh, man. I don't think I got any kills. Sunny, I really wanted you. I'll fart right here, though. I almost made it. Alright. We're on Nancy's house with Sissy. We have a hands and a hitchhiker. That means we don't have a cook. Or a Leatherface.
Baby's gonna disappear from the
And I am 100% the problem. But I told myself, today is Sissy's day. I don't know why today is Sissy's day, but today is Sissy's day. Sissy is going to be recognized as a level 99 skin today. Okay, I am going to poison everything. Well, actually, I usually do poison everything, like health bottles and items and stuff, and that's what victims expect me to do. I'm not doing that. I'm gonna be farting everywhere. As soon as I get anxiety, I'm farting. Okay, I don't know where I'm gonna fart, but I'm a fart. Okay, nobody woke up Grandpa yet? Did they already wake up Grandpa? I'm gonna just keep collecting blood. I don't think they woke up my grandpa yet. I did not hear him yell. Okay, we just woke up grandpa by feeding him enough. That's wonderful. I should poison that trap. I'll poison this because they're gonna be looking for some help after this game. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's gonna get really brutal. They're gonna be like, how is this bitch poisoning help and poisoning us? Like, I don't get it. It's so many poison stations on this map too. It's so perfect for like Sissy. I'm gonna fight right here because they opened up that area.
Stop fighting it.
Oh yeah.
Clear your mind.
Oh, it's okay. I'm coming after you, baby. Hold on. You don't know. I ain't afraid.
You poor
Hold on.
thing.
Get repoisoned, ho. You gonna be having a groggy ass moment for a second. Oh, he's trying to leave. Somebody gonna get him. Get him. Yes! Look, I'm gonna fart on him just for taste. That's beautiful. I didn't even need a fart right there, but like, why not, you know? Okay, the doors are still good. I'm gonna get my poison again. Ooh. Oh no, Leland. Leland's body, like, he just takes so long to die. I'm gonna get one poison from each station if I can. Just so I can spread out that poison, you know? Oh, he's kicking out that gin. Oh, wow. Let me see if I can poison him. Come on. Let me poison you. Damn. I missed him real bad. But at least I poisoned that area in general. Ooh. So one thing that I really, really love about Sissy's poison is that it will block out an entire area. You don't have to worry about that area at all. It doesn't matter if they have bomb squad equipped, like, unless they have a perk where it purges Sissy's poison, they're fucked. And a lot of people aren't running that. They're concerned with every other perk. So Sissy is the last person on their mind. But I will say, after these games, people are probably going to start running that perk.
End, you know?
I know I do.
Just trust me. Come back here, friend.
Ooh, lovely. Ooh, I still farted. That was so mean. How dare they? Close this up. Come on, Slippery. Make your round, Slippery. Where'd he go? Oh, it's okay. Y'all think y'all finna play with me. Ooh! Ow! Ooh! I didn't see that coming. I thought they were just gonna try to run me in circles. Okay. That's alright. I'm farting everywhere, brother. Yeah, where you gonna go? Where you gonna go? What the hell? Come on, just die, Sonny. Damn. You know you want to. I know I hit like a little bitch, but god dang. I'm such a good assistant character, bro. Like, come on. Let me get more poison, just in case. I'm kind of like useless without them, so I need to be able to spray them at any point in time. He ran right past us like he just knew something was going on. Let's go. Yeah, I think she got that one. I think she's gonna get him. Come on, baby. Come on. Where he going? Where he going? I don't have the speed for it, but at least Hitchy does. Dang. I missed him. Ooh, I got him. Let's go. G fucking G's. Alright, y'all. You Leatherface. Let's do this! Oh, yeah. I see a quiet Maria. Woo! Let's see, let's see, let's see. Alright. We have today. And this is gonna be even more crazy. She's gonna be like, what the fuck? He's just gonna leave after that? No, but we have a baby cook in this lobby. And we also have a Nancy on Nancy's house map. Destroy this for them. I have to take care of my two older folks. See, I used to fuck around back then and pick crawlers when they would pick like Nancy or Cook, like Hitchhiker or Sissy. And trust me, as bad as I wanted to play Sissy, I was like, you know what? No, two older people. I gotta play Leatherface. But yeah. Okay, they're getting points now. I'm gonna tear down this door. No, should I keep it? I mean, ooh. See, baby cook activity. Ooh. Good thing I didn't tear down the door. It kind of slowed her down. No. Let me get it. Damn, did not get it. It's okay. That's okay. I know she still got hurt real bad. That would have sent her into incapacitated. Oh my gosh, she should have been incapacitated. Okay. Let me check over there. Ooh, I see a blondie. Where you going? Ooh, Anna, what? Y'all everywhere today. Okay, they're all three back in the basement for sure now, looking for help, for sure. Like, all three of them are looking for help right now. So, you know what? I'm gonna go down there and kind of fuck up their whole day. I mean, ooh, yep. I see, yep. Look at that redhead right there. I'm gonna close this up. Alrighty. Give them a chance to play hide and go seek. Where you at? Where you at? I'm not seeing anyone so far. Ah! There it goes. Another one right in garden storage too. Can't make this shit up. Alright, let's go. I'm gonna go feed my grandpa. He's hungry. I know, she's like, what the fuck? He's just leaving too? Like, no, that was funny. Ooh. Who is that? Nancy just got a kill? Who just died? Oh, Virginia just died. Damn, girl. You could have used your powder to heal. What the hell happened? Nancy putting in that work. Nancy is level 3 for everything. That bitch, she knew what she was doing. I'm following around Nancy in case she has a vision or something. In Nancy we trust, okay? In Nancy we trust. Baby girl ain't see nothing. She said, I need more powders. I don't know what I seen. Cook is over there with Nancy. Can you maybe check on battery again? Still locked. Ooh, her door is left unlocked. Oh, it's an honor. There's an honor. Come here, baby. I don't want to. Ooh, I missed terribly. Come on. Rev up, rev up. That's okay. She's still right here, just chilling. Ooh. Oh, damn. She was real low. God damn. GG's.